Welcome back to Macland Cadets. Today we're going to put the decals on the 1772. I don't know if I do it quite correctly, but I'll show you how I will do it. I'm going to reassemble at the end of the video, and then I'll peel the outside out. But for right now, I'm going to put you in the stand, get the soapy water on there. There's my squeegee right there. There's my pair of scissors if I need them. And right there is a razor if something really drastic goes wrong. It's a good idea to have all that type of stuff, and so you can slide your decal around, place it where you want, and then use the squeegee to get the air bubbles out of the back side. So I'm going to put you in a stand, and let's get right at it. I'm going to spray it down pretty good. I'm going to put the right hand side on first. You want a little bit of gap in this area right here between the bottom of the hood and the start of the decal. Take your time doing this. I'm even going to put a little bit of soapy water on the outside. It makes the squeegee go a little bit smoother. Make sure you get your edges right in there. I'm going to flip it over. We're going to do the other side. Spray it down again. Now we're going to put the left-hand side on. Now I purchased these decals right here from Binder Books. Love calling out there. They really treat you very well. I know there's a lot of other great places to buy decals, but I've always just called out there, talked to the ladies, and they've really been easy to do business with. There, I have it ready to separate. Take your time, don't get real nervous about this. With the soap and everything, you can move them around where you want. Kind of like pinstriping. Now I put a little bit of a crease in this area right here. We're going to try to work it out. I'll take you out of the stand as soon as I get this decal on. I didn't get this one stuck quite as good as I'd like the other side. Not too bad. Let's turn it around. I'll show you the other side, how it turned out. So I'm going to let that dry and go from there. Next thing we're going to put on is the one for the tunnel. Now it's time to peel the outside layer off. Let it sit around an hour. We're going to do the ones on the hood also. So we're going to start with the tunnel here first. We're going to peel this back. So we'll get this back on the machine and then we're going to peel them off right there. Now the hood's not perfect in this area right here, but that decal looks pretty good. So we're gonna go to the other side, do the right-hand side next. Now there's some imperfections in this hood right here, but that decal came out pretty good. So we're going to start it and we're going to take it outside. I'll give you a good look in the sun. Well, that's a wrap on this 1772. It'll be going to its new home sometime this week. I appreciate everyone that followed this project. We have some 2182, which will be the next one. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching me, and we'll see you on the next video.